Beautiful day in Cape Town. Look at this. I'm here overlooking Kalk Bay. You can see in the distance there, that's Simonstown Harbour. If you look over to the right there, that's Fisher Mountain there. I'm going down to the harbour and I'm going to go take a photo of a fishing boat. I have a client that wants one, so I'm going to go and take some reference photos. We're going to go down there. You can see the harbour, the boat's sitting alongside the pier there. I'm going to walk around and show you some of the stuff, what goes on at the harbour. It's very interesting. Kalk Bay is beautiful. So much to do here. Okay, let's go. This little boat I've painted a few times before in rough condition. It's actually been done up quite nicely. Pretty cute little fishing boat. That there, Vicky Rose and the Star of the Sea, I've done a huge painting of that scene. And this little pill I've done, I actually know the owner of it. I did the painting for him. But look how bright, look at the colors. Kalk Bay is amazing. The harbour is so picturesque. So much content you can paint here. The water like glassy. The sun, it's better in the afternoon. The sun is sort of going down, making everything a little bit more golden. When the sun is high up, it becomes a little bit harsh. So the afternoon, the morning is not great either, because then you get, on this side you get a bit of a glare. But in the afternoon it's much better. Check out what's happening here. Boats delivering fish there. But look at the colors of all these boats. So pretty. And the seagulls. If you look over there, that's Corky's, the famous fish and chips. Check these crayfish boats. So much detail when you paint them. You've got to paint all the little cages, the nets, the ropes. Look at the detail, the red. It's stunning though, look at it. Old fishing boat. So beautiful. Problem with is painting this as a background. You spend so much time painting the houses before you even get to all the detail in the boats. It's crazy. So much work. I don't want to fall in here. Woo! Yeah, it's amazing. I love the seals. They're so agile in the water, but then as soon as they climb on land, they're like blobs. Kalk Bay is amazing. Actually, a lot of foreign tourists come here. The tour guides bring them, and it's very popular. On the way to Simonstown and Boulders Beach, we can go see the penguins. But such a beautiful little town to come visit. If you're a foreigner, you got to come here. Look at this little baby seal. Lie down. Have a beer here. Cape to Cuba. Cuban restaurant and bar. They've done it up since we were here last, eh? They have to put a mask on.
Again, that I haven't seen you too. Oh, might be lost, but I'm not going out without a fight. Remember when the silence grew so big it pushed a hole straight through the sky? The ground beneath us caved in every time. So God could hear you cry. All our cowards curling up in smoke like a flame into the night. We didn't mean the stuff we said in bed that broke the lie.
You know the guy?
Yeah, that guy is there in the boat, sleeping there.
Cool, eh?
Hij een fotocopy.
No, it's hand painted.
No, man,
It's
it's
got
fotocopy,
paint,
man.
I'm painting.
Oh, what did I smoke this morning? I smoked something real good to see that. Yeah, bro, my bro, it's already painted. Yeah.
What is the ladies and the
Is this you? Yeah. That's cool, eh? Now you're going to be there forever.
Yeah, I'm gonna be able to maybe travel the world over.
Yeah.
This is the toilet
Yeah.
over here. This is where you go to the engine room.
Yeah.
And this is where you go to the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
This is the kitchen at the back.
Jeez. And this is where they go down below deck, eh?
This is where you go to your sleeping spaces.
Yeah.
There's
And that
about
breathe hole so they get air.
yeah, that's
Is,
when
is there some sort of generator? Is there a pump or is it just free?
no, it's hooked onto this thing.
Yeah.
Onto the cabin
Oh.
side. Right, it's onto the
it's
cabin.
actually
It's
behind.
at the back.
Oh, it's
onto the
behind.
cabin.
Yeah, yeah.
So when you go in there,
Yeah.
then when you close the door,
Yeah.
especially
They
when
can
it's
still-
stormy weather,
Yeah.
then you get a breather from fresh air coming in from
like
the inside.
like a snorkel.
Then this is the captain's cabin.
Yeah.
Inside of there, where that you see that
Yeah.
little window there, there's 2 beds inside.
Oh, as well. Okay, for
Yeah,
the captain.
For the captain and the second in command.
Jeez. So how many guys will go out on a day?
On a boat like this, there will be approximately about 10 guys. Say it's minimal from 6 to 10 on a boat like this.
How many does it sleep below?
Down here, it depends on how many beds, how many
Size of the boat.
how many guys are allowed to be on the boat. It depends also on your permit. Your permit allows you for 8 people, then it means it's the skipper, the guys that work in the engine room, and then you get 6 guys on board.
Fishing.
Yeah, that's what you get. It depends on your permit condition.
Okay.
And what the Maritime Association tells you how many you can have on the boat.
Thanks a lot. Okay, here we go. Here's the boat that I painted. Painting's finally done. You're going to see some of the details. There's a cabin of the one boat there. These boats are getting repaired. That's why they've been here docked here a while. You can see the ropes. There's a guy sitting there. I actually met him. He's chuffed that he's going to be famous. You can see the ropes coming down, the name of the boat. You can see the actual name written there. There we go, some more details of the top. So I'm missing a few pipes, but I'm going to go and add those actually still. So this little swing arm here actually swings out and lifts up the crayfish net off the seabed. So it's all maneuverable, all the ropes. You can see a couple of little fishing boats here. And there's the entrance to the harbour with a little light there in the background, you can see. And this is what it looks like. So here we are at Kalk Bay, finishing up the painting. Needs to be varnished though, and I still want to add some of those little pipes. There's some pipes that come out the side that the water runs off the deck, and then there's a pipe that actually goes on the top of this thing. They close this door, the guys go down, sleep below, and there's a pipe that gives them air ventilation that I've left out. So those guys are all going to die if they go to bed, if they go to sleep. Anyway, cheers. Thanks a lot for watching. Ciao. Hope you enjoyed watching the process. There's so much detail in this painting, a lot of work, but I really enjoyed it. We cruised around Kalk Bay, it was really enjoyable. There's so much content there. We're going to go back and make some more paintings of the area, some seal paintings, maybe some, there's a wreck there in the corner. I'm going to go and dive around there and check it out. This painting is actually for a client who has apartments at the waterfront. He rents them out to tourists. So if you're a tourist overseas, you want to come to Cape Town, check out the link below. It's on the marina at the waterfront. Absolutely stunning apartments. I mean, the perfect place to stay. So go check them out on the website. Go and please subscribe and check my website out. Check out the other art that I've been doing. So I hope you enjoyed the whole process, and we've got a whole lot of other videos we're busy making, so check those out, and thanks for watching.